Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z3 Compact, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the section, the personal section. Here you will be able to find language and input, so let's tap on it. And right now we have to enter the keyboard we are currently using. In my case it is this Xperia keyboard, so let's tap on it and then tap on writing languages. As you can see, we've got the list of languages, which is divided to two different parts: available languages which are currently on the device and available for download. So simply find your language and tap on it. Let me pick Greek. Tap on yes, of course. You'll have to wait a second, and as you can see, right now we've got this Greek at the top, and it is marked. So let's tap on OK, and now we can open the keyboard to check how it works. Alright, as you can see, right now we've got the Greek language applied. Alright. So basically this is it. This is how to change the keyboard language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.